2020第7期哀伤陪伴课程即将于9月底开始。经历亲人去世，在哀伤中的朋友，请让哀伤陪伴课程来陪伴您走这条从哀伤通向喜乐的旅途。什么是哀伤陪伴课程？是陪伴失去挚爱的哀伤者走过痛苦旅程，借着圣经真理导引，怀着信心打开人生新的一页，恢复喜乐与盼望。哀伤陪伴课程是由美国教会新策略机构出版，授权富强教会翻译完成。第7期哀伤陪伴课程计划，2020年秋季有2班，分别于周一晚上7点半及周三早上10点进行，于9月28日及9月30日开始，连续上13周。2班都是实体加网络远距同步进行。失去了配偶，影片将于9月21日周一晚上7点30播放，也是实体加网络远距同步进行的方式。课程里可以学到什么？哀伤陪伴课程1：安慰。第1课，我是正常吗？第2课，势不可挡的哀伤。第3课，哀伤的路缓慢又漫长。第4课，回忆伤痛中的自保。第5课，哀伤中与人的关系不同了，帮助学员了解哀伤时自己的状况与面临的外界各种情形。哀伤陪伴课程2：回答。第6课，为什么？第7课，自责与不平。第8课，严重的创伤。第9课，能跳出被困的哀伤吗？帮助学员解答心中的各样问题。哀伤陪伴课程3：盼望。第10课，很实际的方法避免受伤。第11课，追寻与神的关系。第12课，天堂，神的赦免是难以置信的，喜乐与安慰全员。第13课，我现在能为什么而活？生活能恢复正常吗？帮助学员借着真理得到安慰与指引。课程如何进行？影片教导，小组陪伴与讨论，5日习作与日志。影片教导，影片时间约40分钟，实境影片借生动情节帮助如何面对哀伤，有40多位专家、辅导、牧师、教授、作家等的讲解与切身的经验。
Hi, my name is David Guthrie, and this is my wife, Nancy. Like you, we've faced the pain of losing someone we love. In fact, we've buried 2 of our 3 children, a daughter, Hope, and a son, Gabriel.
As we faced our daughter's death, I wondered what grief would be like, how it would change me and my relationships, how long it would dominate my thoughts and emotions. The unknowns of grief generated a lot of fear and anxiety for me. We understand that you're probably experiencing the same thing, and we're glad you've come here for help.
Over these next 13 weeks, GriefShare will introduce to you counselors, teachers, pastors, psychologists, and people just like you who've experienced grief. They will help you understand that what you're feeling is normal and provide you with insight and practical information that will guide you toward healing.
We're here to walk with you and your fellow GriefShare group members through the grief process. And if nothing else, we hope to serve as a weekly reminder to you that with God's help, it is possible to move beyond being consumed by your grief, that indeed you can make the journey from mourning to joy.
Welcome to GriefShare.
小组陪伴与讨论，能在安全的环境下，与了解您与关心您的同伴间，自由与放心地讲出深埋心里的痛， 也能听到同伴的谈话，得到互相的安慰与鼓励。很自由，不想发言也不用发言，听同伴讲的经历对自己也很有帮助。5日习作与日志，有短篇阅读，有能帮助您的圣经经节，与能启发您思考的简单习作，每周都能检视自己的进展，也能记下自己的心境与想法。经过这13周课程影片的教导，同学的交通与陪伴，与习题的启发，是真的能帮助您自哀伤中疗愈。